All right, so here's how you make a GIF. And so in today's Schoology, you're going to go to the GIF maker. It's going to open up to something like this. And so you're going to want to click choose file, and either you should have uploaded them into your Google Drive or downloaded them from your email, somehow get them into it. And so mine are in my Google Drive. And it looks like it takes a little bit. And remember, you need to have at least 8 of them, 8 pictures. Might take a little bit to upload. So upload and make GIF. And you can see in the corner what yours is processing. Once it has uploaded all your different pictures, you're going to want to make sure that they're in the correct order that you wanted them to be in. And if it says on here, like make sure they're all the same size, you definitely want to make sure that they are all the same size. Otherwise, it won't work very well. Make sure you're setting your delay to 1 second. And I'm going to set this to 1 second as well. And then all I need to do is click Make GIF. And now it's going to show it to me. And then you want to click Save. I'm just going to say Smidra GIF. And it downloaded. So then you're going to get into your conclusion questions and insert it. To insert it, you just go to Insert, Image, Upload from Chromebook or whatever. I'm just going to go to Recent because I know it was recent. I'm going to click on it. And then there it is. That's all you do.